So before we went to distance learning, one of the things that we had talked a lot about was finding the main idea and details inside a text. So when an author is writing a fiction or a not real text, sometimes they will tell a story in order, they'll have characters, they'll have setting, lots of details. But when we're looking at main idea and supporting details, this is usually for a non-fiction text, a real text about something real. And the main idea is what the whole thing is about, and each supporting detail tells more about your main idea. So these are your clues, and they tell you more about your main idea. Now, sometimes it's going to be easy to see the supporting details, and you're going to have to figure out what they all have in common. So if my supporting details were $1 bills are a green piece of paper that are worth $1. A nickel is silver and worth 5 cents. A dime is really small and worth 10 cents. Okay? Those are my supporting details. $1 is a small green piece of paper. A nickel is worth 5 cents and is round. And a dime is really tiny and worth 10 cents. Those are my details, and each one of those is a clue to tell me about my main idea. So would my main idea be toys are very expensive? Or would it be about how there are different types of money that are worth different amounts? Okay? I think it makes sense that it would be that there are different types of money that are worth different amounts. And if you look at your details like your clues and you think about what's the same about all of them, it'll help you find your main idea. We're going to do another example together. When we're done, there's some different activities, depending on which group you're in, that you're going to do for me to practice this. Okay? Looking at something and deciding what are the details and what do those clues tell me about the main idea. So, my main idea is there are many types of animals that live on a farm. So I want you to think about what could be a supporting detail. If I was writing a paragraph, there are many types of animals that live on a farm. I need some details that go along with that. So should I say a highlighter can be yellow? Or should I say sheeps are white fluffy animals that live on a farm? Right? It seems pretty obvious. This detail goes with this main idea. So there are many types of animals that live on a farm. Sheep are white fluffy animals that live on a farm. Pigs live on a farm and like to roll in the mud. And cows live on a farm and they give us milk. All of my information goes together. Your main idea is that big idea. It's what everything is about, and your supporting details tell more about your main idea. They're a clue.